Let me see.
Oh, he's very interested.
Whoa, he's very interested.
The red-winged blackbird.
Just hold your hand out. Guys.
Probably the flatter the better. You can also stand up.
Will they fly up here?
Yeah, the red-winged blackbirds will fly up. If you're trying to feed the chipmunk, who looks interested, you're gonna have to.
He looks interested too. Okay.
You're gonna have to get a little bit.
I can't stay too long in this position, so let me see. First, I gotta get up. First, we have to see about me getting up. Yeah. Here we go. All right. Let's try this. See if the bird will come over here. Okay, here it is. Here it is, right here. Right there.
Okay.
Did you get that?
Yeah, it should be on here. Hopefully.
That's good. Okay, I still got more. Does anybody else want any?
Yeah, maybe.
Over here. Come get it. Yummy, yummy. Well, he's coming this way. Good. No, he's changed his mind. I look too dangerous.
You're very dangerous.
Yes. Oh, well. Okay. Oh, here's another one. Over here. I got food for you. I got food for you. That is the most fun thing.
Isn't it? I keep telling Amanda that it's like, I feel like a Disney princess.